How to cancel offer on Poshmark. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you through the steps on how you can cancel your offers on Poshmark, so just make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now maybe you've made an offer to the seller, or maybe you're a buyer and you made an offer and now maybe you want to just cancel the offer. In that case it is very simple. Now you can do this process from the application as well, but because the application is not available in my region, I'm showing you the process from my browser. So you can head over to poshmark.com, make sure that you're signed into the account, and then you can basically see this type of interface where you just want to make sure to tap the profile icon from the very top right hand side of the screen, and then you're going to see all of the menu options here. As and when you do that, over here if you scroll down, you're going to be able to find this option called My Offers, where if you just tap and go to the My Offers section, you'll be able to find all of the offers that you've made. Now in my case, I've not made any type of offers either for purchase or for sales, but if you have, then you should be able to find those offers over here, and then you'll be able to cancel them accordingly. And that is it for today's video on how you can cancel your offer on Poshmark. Hope this video was helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.